Another interesting table, biblical table from the book End of Days in Bible codes, book which will prepare you for the coming of Messiah. So we say that this means preparation to strengthen our faith in God, because this is one of the most important conditions for redemption. As our Rabbi Sela says, it was in Egypt when the Jews believed in God, then redemption came. So this is a book really which will prepare you for coming of Messiah. And very interesting tables there, very significant. We did with Professor Reeves, Dr. Rottenberg, tables we did with Professor Aralik. So let us see one of them which is quite significant. So in this table, as Mrs. Kim Sulman, who edited the verse about the table, she said, interesting table with the name of those who do the cause. In the center, you have the verse Asu code, they did code, with the letter skip of the word Dilug. And the names which are coming are Reuven, Aralik definitely, and then Eliyahu, Reeves and Matityahu. Unbelievable, because this is exactly most of the people we did a lot of code. So let us see here. So you have here the first thing you can see in black, Asu code, they did code, Reuven, Matityahu, I think Matityahu is the smallest skip in the Torah, and Eliyahu, unbelievable. So, interesting table, as practically we know. Then you have also something interesting, the Hebrew word dilug, in black, skip, which is a real idea behind the codes, skip. So, no doubt, very interesting table, having the word Asu code might be minimal in the Torah, but best missing is Reuven and Matityahu, which is minimal, right? And then Reuven and Eliyahu, minimal. But interesting, as we said, because we have to know that the Bible code was recognized scientifically on even the condition, like minimal, best meetings. Even for us, the location is important, the verses are very interesting in this area. So interesting and significant table. And as I said, every table here explained beautifully by Mrs. Kim Sulman. And this is exactly what she said. So, as I said, very interesting table. There is another interesting table really on the same page. It tells us about Torah code connected with the ephod, and it was Pinlight. Yeah, the producer of Pinlight, Richard Shaw, unfortunately passed away. So this Pinlight was the place in which all these things were shown. So you have Pinlight by minimal with Torah code and ephod, which also very, very interesting. Ephod also gave the answer to the high priest by letters shining, so very likely it can be now also. Also, there is an interesting sentence here which says it will be shown to the whole world. So, again, interesting table with the same idea as we saw before about the importance of the Torah code. In fact, this is what Mrs. Sulman said about it. In this table we have in the center Torah code with Pinlight. This is a Richard Shaw organization. And ephod, which, like the code, shows the words in Hebrew letters. So, very, very interesting.